Welcome to the Curious Combo YouTube channel. If you're eager to learn trading, you are in the right place. This is my free trading fundamental series simplifying complex concepts. I want to help you to build a solid foundation, and in this chapter I will cover what trading involves, key risk management principles, the 4 pillars of trading success, and a deep dive into RSI. By the end of this video, you will understand how to spot trading opportunities and to avoid costly mistakes. At its core, trading is about spotting market opportunities and making informed decisions. I'll focus on short-term trading, day and swing trading, where my trades last from minutes to hours. While long-term investing is another world, here I'll equip you with the essential for short-term success. There is no best stocks list handed to you. You need to do research, analyze, and develop a strategy that fits your style. And remember, trading isn't about getting rich quick. It's about steady, smart decisions over time. It's a fact that 85 to 90% of traders lose money. And this is why? Because emotions take over. Fear, greed, and frustration lead to impulsive decisions that hurt your results. The best traders follow a plan and manage risk properly. You have to know your max loss. Before entering a trade, set a stop loss. If the price hits it, exit, no second guessing. Your risk-reward ratio matters. Losing 50% means needing 100% gain just to break even. At all costs, you have to avoid FOMO and FUD. FOMO as fear of missing out, seeing a stock skyrocket and rushing in just before a correction. The FUD, fear of uncertainty and doubt, selling prematurely due to market panic. Stay calm and trust your strategy. As the 4 pillars of trading success, know your solid strategy. Have a clear entry and exit plans with reliable indicators. Build effective risk management. You have to protect your capital with strict loss limits. Stay in control of your emotions. Avoid emotional trading. Trust your system. Simplicity. Do not overcomplicate things. Focus on what works. Now that we have covered the fundamentals, let's dive into one of the most powerful indicators, the RSI. The RSI is a momentum indicator, just like stochastic. It measures recent up and down days to identify whether a stock is overbought or oversold on a scale of 0 to 100. Above 70 means overbought. It's a potential sell signal. Below 30, it's oversold, potential buy signal. While the default RSI period is 14 days, you can adjust it based on your strategy. Stronger trends may require tweaking thresholds, for example 20 to 80 instead of 30 to 70. RSI alone isn't foolproof, but combined with other indicators, it boosts decision-making power. Some key signals you have to know. Divergence is when price and RSI move in opposite directions. It signals a possible reversal. Bullish divergence is when price makes lower lows, but RSI makes higher lows. Downtrend may then be weakening. Bearish divergence is when price makes higher highs, but your RSI makes lower highs. A downturn may be then coming. Failure swing is a stronger reversal signal when RSI fails to break previous highs or lows. Bullish failure swing is when RSI dips below 30, recovers, tests 30 again but doesn't break it, then rises. That's a buy signal. Bearish failure swing is when RSI rises above 70, dips, retests 70 again but fails, then drops. That's a sell signal. RSI trends confirm overall market direction. The bull trend can be found when RSI fluctuates between 40 to 90, with 40 to 50 acting as support. Bear trend, on the other hand, is when RSI moves between 10 to 60, with 50 and 60 as resistance. Positive reversals can be indicated when price makes higher low but RSI makes a lower low. An upward momentum may be ahead. Negative reversal can be indicated from the RSI when price makes a lower high, but RSI makes higher high. That's a potential downturn. I'm going to give you some homework for next steps. Look at your portfolio. Have any RSI signals appeared in the past year in your charts? Check an interesting stock. Is an RSI buy or sell signal forming?